Hi there, my name is Tomasz and you're watching Casual DIY channel. In today's video we're going to be making this really cool, nice looking but simple to make bird feeder. Now the wood I'm going to be using for this project is actually Siberian larch. These are offcuts I had from a decking project. They do have these channels in them, so I need to get rid of those. Plus some of them, they're not straight, they're a bit wobbly, so I need to get that sorted. So as you can see, I'm using my jointer to get them nice and flat. And after that, I'm going to head over to my thickness planer to get rid of those channels and to make all the boards nice and flat and to have the faces parallel to each other. Now, if you are interested in full explanation of how a proper milling system may work, I've got you covered. I've got a really good video on that, which I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video and in the pinned comment. And now with all the boards ready, nice, straight and true, we can glue them up into larger panels. Now obviously the first step that I showed you with the milling process is only if you've got rough boards. However, if you don't have the tools, you can just buy boards that are already pre-milled, nice and straight, and you can just glue them together and make larger panels like I'm doing right now. Okay, now I'm just going to cut the pole I've got for this project to the correct size, and after that I'm going to give it a quick sand and apply some sealer so you know the wood is protected from the outer elements. In total about 2 coats, and in this case it's, as you can see, it's actually dark grey, and that's exactly the look I'm going for. Now I was thinking about different ways of connecting the post with the bird feeder itself, and in the end I'm just going for pocket holes. Is the easiest and quickest way to do this. With the panels now ready, I'm going to cut all of them to the correct sizes. Now if you want some dimensions for this build, I'm going to leave that in the description of this video. However, please consider that the boards and the thickness of them is quite custom to whatever I was able to do. So I think they are about 15 millimeters in thickness. Both of the boards that will become the top of the bird feeder, they need to be cut under 45-degree angle. After the boards are cut to the correct length, we're going to go to the table saw and cut them to the correct width. Now before I'm going to start putting everything together, I'm just going to give a quick sand to all the pieces. Now it's time to put everything together, glue all the parts together. As you can see, that's the base of the bird feeder. I'm actually attaching 2 edges at the front and at the back, so you know the food for the birds will not just fall out of it. And I'm just using some wood glue and some brad nails to put everything together. However, if you don't have an air gun, you know, you can do screws, or you can just leave the wood glue on itself. That will be plenty strong. And we're just carrying on with gluing all the pieces together. Now we're going to do the sides. For the roof of our bird feeder, I'm just going to use some tape to hold it in place. It actually could work as quite a decent clamp in this situation as well. Now remember, we've cut the pieces to 45, so we've got a nice and straight 90-degree angle here. Now, as you can see, the tape is holding everything together. However, I do have these corner clamps, and this is at 90 degrees, so I'm going to use those as well. After the glue has set, we can put the top on, and I'm just shooting some brad nails and obviously wood glue as well. Right then, so the glue has dried, everything came together quite nicely, and it's now time to apply some finish. Now, as it is a bird feeder, you want to apply something that is definitely food safe. To be fair, you can leave it as that. Obviously the wood, you know, it's not going to last forever. However, I decided to apply food safe mineral oil to this. It will give a slight protection from the outer elements, but it's not going to be anything major. However, you know, I'm not considering this bird box to last more than 3 or 4 years. So, you know, whenever it's going to start falling apart, I'm just going to make a new one. In total, I'm going to apply about 3 or 4 coats. I'm just going to wait a little bit for the oil to soak into the wood. And now it's time to attach the post. And there you go, guys. Really nice and simple project. I think it looks actually very, very good. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And I hope that the guests that will use this will enjoy it as well. Now, if you're interested in other projects, workshop related, or maybe something similar to this, I've got a really cool playlist that should pop up just over here for you. So go have a look, check those videos out, and I'll hope to see you on those videos there. Take care.